Hello, I'm going to show you today a rather lovely Moroccan recipe for roasted beetroot. So I have here 4 beetroot. I've trimmed the green bits off the top, just down to a few centimetres. I've given them a good wash. I'm just going to lightly dry them, wrapping them up in some kitchen paper. And I have a sheet of aluminium foil, and I'm going to do it with the shiny side in. So I'm just using a pie dish for this. So we simply place the beetroot in the foil, and then we take some rock salt and sprinkle this over. Quite generously. Okay. And then we simply wrap it up in the foil, and I'm going to stick it in the oven. Turn that down. So I've preheated the oven to a little bit warmer, so that with opening the door it won't lose too much heat. So that's going to cook slowly on 160 for a couple of hours. So this is one that you need to think about before you're actually going to want it. And I shall see you again in a couple of hours, and we'll see what happens next. I left the roasting beetroot in the oven. I simply turned it off and let it cool down in the oven. So what we're going to do now is we're going to peel them. So, and this is a job for wearing gloves. So I'm just wearing my ordinary washing up gloves, and I have here, this is my compost box. So stuff for the compost bin in the garden goes in here. So all we do, the skin should push off quite easily. So I'm just pushing at it with my thumbs, and it's quite satisfying. In some ways it would be quite nice to do it with my bare hands, and I would have purple hands. So not quite so important at the moment, since I don't have face-to-face patients in this corona time, but if I'm not, so, there we are. And I've put some greaseproof paper on the chopping board. Here, that's all the beetroot skins over there, and I've halved the beetroots, and I'm just going to chop them up into bite-sized chunks. And I'm dipping the chopped up beetroot pieces into a Pyrex bowl. So not plastic, because that would stain, not wood, because that would stain. Metal would be okay, or glass, or ceramic, something non-absorbent, so that the beetroot doesn't stain. There we are. I'm very glad I put the baking paper onto the chopping board. And what we do next, take off my other washing up glove. Olive oil, extra virgin, organic extra virgin olive oil, and a generous sloosh of that. A very important domestic science unit, and a generous sprinkling of cinnamon, and that gives it that lovely Moroccan flavour. And just gently stir those seasonings in, and then let it marinate, let it sit and commune with itself. So you've got the salt from the original roasting, and olive oil and cinnamon. I think the original recipe suggested adding fresh parsley. Not sure that will really go. I'm just going to taste it a little bit and see how it is. Mm, mm, mm. I think needs a bit more cinnamon. That actually was, there was 4 quite big beetroot. It was 500 grams, and a bit of pepper, I think. Oh well. With all of these ingredients, just if you like it, add more. If you don't, miss it out. A little bit of salt, just a bit more salt, I think. So there we are. And my cumin needs refilling, otherwise I think I would add a bit of cumin. I might do that a little bit later, but there we are. So that's Moroccan marinated roasted beetroot. Fantastically healthy vegetable, especially for your rainbow of vegetables, which is always a good thing to bear in mind. So for the kind of the purpley end of the rainbow, yeah, beetroot or red cabbage, that's another good one for that end of the spectrum. Very, very good for the liver and for helping detox. And yes, it may turn your pee red. So don't be alarmed if you get red or purple pee. That's just the beetroot. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. There is a subscribe button down there, I think. Let me know how you get on. Maybe post a picture if you have a go. And I'll see you again soon. Many thanks. Bye now. A little PS. There's lots of lovely cooking juice lurking in the bottom of the foil. So I'm just going to add that to those marinating beetroot. And stir them in, and I'll give the worktop a quick wipe. I'll see you soon. Bye now.